No. All right, here we go, here we go. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Marlon, Booby, whatever you call me. And I'm here, as you can see. We got the car up on all fours right now. We got my homie Eli over here.
What's good?
And we are going to throw these coilovers on the car today. Because we're going low, you know what I'm saying?
Man, I'm gonna tell you something.
What?
I can tell you from New York, bro.
What?
Your suspension rusty as
No. I mean, you couldn't tell from the quarter panel?
No, this shit look like a dog bit it.
That's tough. I ain't gonna lie, there was a dude, what's his name? The Taco Tuesday dudes. You follow him, right? Or no?
Yeah.
So, he has a Prelude. Yeah. And the dog was just biting the out of his bumper, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, no, I ain't gonna lie, but that don't look like that. You know what I'm saying? It look like, you know what I'm saying? Look, it's decorative. That's vinyl right there. You see that?
Ah, shut your It's Matina. That Japanese Matina.
Hater. Anyways.
Oh.
What happened? Whoa. It's because it's on jacks, bro. What the? You can easily lift those. You didn't know that? Bro, like you can literally lift it up just because it's on jacks.
That is crazy.
I can't do it now though. So here we go. So we're gonna go lower with the car, finally. We're also gonna be throwing on these rear lower control arms right here. I was able to obtain these for a good price, as well as for the Yonaka coilovers that we have. I believe those are the race. So it's like street, race. I think these are race. And then this drag. So it's like the in-between. So it might be like super stiff, that's another thing. Not super stiff, but like...
Did the guy not tell you the spring rate something?
No, he did. I looked it up too. I just forgot it off the top of my head. I'll probably put it on the screen though. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. It actually kind of looks cool like this, I ain't gonna lie.
Huh?
Yeah. Not just being up on all, like on the jack stands.
Yeah, it's like a shop, a race shop.
Yeah, right? Pretty dope. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do this. He's gonna do the rear. You're gonna do the control arms too, yourself? All right.
Because I'm better at suspension than you.
I mean, I wouldn't say that. Nah, you probably are. Yeah, I'll give it to you, dog. Pause. But
Give me my credit.
yeah, I'm gonna go check out his ride right quick.
No, don't show my monster truck.
Monster truck? The craziest part, this man's talking about monster truck. Do you see this?
Hey, insert a clip of my latest reel. I was low as don't look at that.
But yeah, here he is, you know, low. I mean, yeah, it was way lower than this. He actually has some different wheels on it. It actually looks super mean. But his motor's currently knocking at the door, and he just won't let it die. Why won't you let your car die?
Well, won't I let it die?
Yeah.
Because it's like letting my personality die. Why would I do that?
Wise words from Eli.
Hey, let me know down in the comments if I should start making content.
Yeah, he definitely should, because he just be BSing, bro. Like, so let's go ahead and do this now. Yeah, let's just get to it.
Time lapse, dude.
All right, no more time lapse. Anyways, I'm over here in the front. We're gonna go ahead and just simply do this. I already loosened up the bottom here. I believe the only thing I need to loosen up is just this part right here. And from right here, top. And pretty much this should just fall right through. If anything, I'm gonna just have to play around with this part and this, and we'll see what happens. Yeah, don't mind the mess. But yeah, for back here though, it's pretty simple. I mean, as he's doing. Simply remove the speaker, and we have access to the top hat, which is pretty good. Which is not bad either. How are the bolts? Yeah, make sure.
Go through there.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. You don't have no backup bolts for those, for the rears, only the front. Oh no, the new coilovers.
Oh, so
yeah.
if you snap and you go to the rear type shit.
Yeah, we have nothing. If anything, the only one is just the top has for the front. But I was just saying.
So I'm gonna snap every single bolt.
Chill, bro. Chill. But yeah, let's just go on at it. Man is putting in some real work over there. I hear them grunts. Go ahead. No? Oh, I got this one out so far. It was a little bit of a pain. Now I'm working on this side. This is kind of an annoyance, trying to get this damn bolt out. But we're pushing through. Let's see. How far along are you, bro? How far along are you?
I hate your car. I hate EK Civics. Y'all are a piece of
It's crazy, dog. Ooh, what's the noise? Yeah.
Rust bucket, bro.
Yeah, no, that's true. That is true. It is a rust bucket. And I think about selling it sometimes, but
you finna be outside soon enough, on the ground, stiffer and lower than most of these say these. Hey, you know what? This might start some shit in your comments, man.
What?
If you on lowering springs, take static out your bio. If you is not tucking tire or lower than track fitment, take static out your bio. You's not static. Stop it.
Speaking of facts, I ain't gonna lie, after this I'm gonna play on static though. Track fitment though. Alright, let's go ahead and get back at this. We got all 4 shocks out right now. Eli went on inside, so we're gonna go ahead and try to fit these. Now, I'm not necessarily somebody that likes to slam. I mean, I kind of do want to stand his car, especially because he has, you know, a nice little static joint right here. But we're gonna go ahead and try to get some nice fitment on it. Nothing too crazy. I mean, if anything, it'd be just like wheel fitment at the fenders and, you know, back there as well. But yep, that is the next step for right now. So I did the front, you did the back. I'm gonna go ahead and start trying to fit these bad boys in over here. So after a few hours, we are finally done. Here we go. I ain't gonna lie, this was a lot of work. Shout out to Eli.
We did it, gang. This car, but we did it.
Eli, Juwan pulled up. Got his whip over here, looking clean as ever. But here we are, we're done. We're gonna lower it, take it off the jack stands, go for a test drive and see how it is.
We getting money for real.
Whoa! Man, it's wildin', bro. Alright, but here we are. Here's the car. I forgot what I said in the last clip, but here we are. Bro, stop! You got it, dog. Come on, son. I don't even got my shoes on. Come on, I don't got no sport mode, bro. Come on. I'm out here in Birkenstocks. Come on, bro. Alright, he's done. But yeah.
Am I?
Daddy, chill.
It's gonna sink a little bit though.
Hey guys. In the comments, tell him if it's the same ride as it was before. I'm telling him he should go tire the fender, but that's me.
I mean, I would. But my fender about to rust out. What's the point? It's gonna rub on it and then...
It's gonna rust out regardless.
No. He's got a point.
He got a point.
It's a rust bucket already.
Yeah, that is true.
With no VTEC, no power. Gotta let it slow, man. Gotta go low.
Hey.
Stop.
See, look
hey,
at
guys. This is exactly what I'm talking about. This tree right here.
Oh, damn.
All right? I'm talking about lowering springs, saying you static. This is exactly what he's doing.
I mean, it's static. You know
I bet you it's cut lowering springs. It's cut lowering springs. That's what it is.
It's cut springs?
Yeah.
You cut the springs?
Kind of.
Oh, this man's scary. F it though. They look fire though. You know?
Static.
Yeah.
Static.
Wash it on that moment. I ain't gonna lie, this joint looks clean as hell though. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? He got a nice little fitment on there. You know what I'm saying?
It's a little dirty.
Nice little tuck in there though. But you know what I'm saying? It's better than that. You know what I mean? But you know what I'm saying?
You know what? My car in the prime was better than all of y'all.
Oh, I ain't gonna lie, it was. Insert clip. I'm gonna go ahead and go for a test drive, see how this goes. Cause these are, what did I say, race? So it's like mid-tier. I hope they're not mid though.
Yeah, you're pointing at the ground. Good job.
Yeah, you know, they can see it, bro. You know what I mean?
Yo, what's good, guys? Thank you for those that have made it to the end of the video. It's I don't know, sometimes a lot trying to get these videos out, but I truly appreciate you if you made it to the end. I'm gonna be posting a bit more, especially since I have a bit more free time now. And yeah, subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think.
We getting money for real. I'm trying to roll to that store. Brad told me to spend, but if you go spend it, you need to come out with some more. Damn, we keep on clicking and bro, keep clicking that fool. Man, I need the middle every time that I go through they rip and kicking that door.